Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you saw our last video, we unboxed the microbit V2. If you did not, go check it out. Today, we stop admiring it and actually make it do something. To get started, all you need is your microbit and the USB cable. Plug the square end into your computer and the smaller end into the top of the microbit. You'll see a light flash on the back. This means it's receiving power, and you did not get scammed by the seller. Now, we need the software. To do that, open your web browser and go to makecode.microbit.org or use the link in the description. Before we start, click on New Project, and then it will ask you to name your project. You can write whatever you want. I am going to name it First Project.
2,000 years later.
This is the MakeCode editor. It's totally free, works right in your browser, and it uses block-based coding, which is fantastic for beginners. It's basically like building code with digital Lego bricks. You'll see three main areas: the simulator on the left, the toolbox of code blocks in the middle, and the coding area on the right. Let's create the classic hello world of physical computing, a flashing heart. See the blue basic blocks? Click that. Find the show icon block and drag it into the forever loop. If you would like to change the icon, click the drop-down and select whatever you want. Now, look at the simulator. We have a solid heart. To make it flash, we need to turn it off and pause. To do this, go back to the basic menu. Grab the clear screen block and drag it underneath the heart. Right now, it's flashing way too fast. We need a pause. Grab the pause 100 millisecond block. Drag one after the heart and one after the clear screen. Let's change them both to 500 milliseconds, or half a second. Perfect. The simulator shows the heart flashing at a nice steady pace. Our code works. Now, for the magic moment. Getting this code onto the microbit itself. Look at the bottom left of the screen and click the three dots next to the download button. Then click Download as File. This downloads a tiny file called a hex file. When you connect the microbit, your computer treats it like a normal USB drive named microbit. All you have to do is drag that hex file right onto the microbit drive. The yellow light on the back will start flashing rapidly. That means the code is transferring. And there it is. A flashing heart, programmed by you. If you ever want to change the code, just repeat the drag and drop process. It overwrites the old code instantly. Let's try one more thing. A scrolling message. Back in MakeCode, delete all the blocks inside the forever loop. Now, grab the show string block from the basic menu. Let's type in subscribe, cause why not? Hit download
2,000 years later.
Again. Drag the new hex file over to the microbit drive and check it out. How cool is that? You've just mastered the very basics of programming this awesome little computer. So, in just a few minutes, you went from an empty box to coding a flashing heart and a scrolling message. If you learned something new, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. My name is MG.
Don't be too offended. I had to leave. There's nothing